Where did mathematics begin? Mathematics has always been with us. It's just a matter of discovering it. As far back as 20,000 BC, it is known that many different civilizations had different methods for counting and keeping track of quantities. Most of them are very complex compared to our modern-day Arabic system. The Babylonians and Egyptians began developing geometric concepts around 5000 BC, but it was the Greeks around 600 BC that began to dominate the advancements in mathematics. In fact, the word mathematics, which means learning, study, and science, comes from the Greeks. Greeks were motivated to understand the world around them. Most mathematicians in Greece at the time were also philosophers and astronomers. What set Greek mathematicians apart from others at the time was that they were not satisfied with just knowing how a math concept worked, but strived to understand why it worked. That approach has become the blueprint for all modern scientific studies. One of the most famous Greek mathematicians was Pythagoras. He proved the theorem that for any right triangle, the sum of the squares of the two short sides is equal to the square of the longest side. That property had been well known for hundreds of years, but Pythagoras receives credit for it because he proved it. Archimedes was another key figure. He contributed in many different ways, including the invention of the compound pulley and the hydraulic screw. Archimedes was well known for being immersed in his studies that he was sometimes oblivious to his surroundings. One famous instance was when he was asked by King Hero to verify that his crown was solid gold without destroying it. While taking a bath and contemplating how to answer the king's question, Archimedes realized that weighing the crown submerged in water would answer the question to whether or not the crown was solid gold or not. He became so excited with his discovery that he jumped out of the tub and without clothing ran through the town calling for his friend Eureka. Unfortunately, Archimedes' unwavering devotion to the study of mathematics resulted in his death. When Greece was invaded by Rome, he was working a math problem in the dirt and was unmindful of the Roman soldier commanding him to stop and follow him. The soldier became so enraged at his disobedience, he slayed him on the spot. There are numerous other influential Greek mathematicians of this time period. I hope you will take the time to learn about their contributions.